Hello, gentlemen. Good day. Let me speak to you plainly today. No fluff, no sugarcoating. There's a quiet truth many men over 60 hesitate to face. Intimacy isn't what it used to be. Your body doesn't respond like it once did. Erections may be weaker, desire might fade, and that old energy, it's not as steady as before. But here's the thing, that's not the real problem. The real issue is how we deal with it. Too many men keep silent. Some ignore it. Others accept it as just part of aging. Let me be clear, I don't believe in giving up. I don't believe slowing down is inevitable. And I don't believe a man has to live without the vitality, drive, and intimacy he once had. You see, these signs, poor blood flow, fatigue, reduced libido, are not just about getting older. They are signals. Your body is asking for support. Not pills, not chemical-laced supplements, but real, natural nutrition. And today, I'll walk you through 10 powerful fruits, each backed by medical research, that can help improve your circulation, boost sexual responsiveness, and restore the confidence you may feel slipping away. No pressure to overhaul your lifestyle. Just pick one fruit to start with. Start today. Stay consistent. Before we jump in, let me ask you, where are you watching from? Sunny Florida? A peaceful town in Texas? Drop a comment below. I read every one, and it truly matters to me that you're here. Also, if you find this kind of honest, helpful content valuable, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I've got more straightforward, no-nonsense advice coming just for you. Now, let's get to the heart of today's message. The hidden mechanism behind declining male performance. Male sexual function, erections, desire, sensitivity, relies almost entirely on healthy blood circulation. When you were younger, blood vessels were flexible, and your body produced a molecule called nitric oxide, which tells blood vessels to relax and open up. This allows strong, steady blood flow, especially to your intimate areas. But after 60, nitric oxide levels drop. Blood vessels get stiffer. Inflammation increases. The response to arousal weakens. Erections take longer or aren't as firm. Sensitivity fades. Even your testosterone can begin to decline silently. This isn't just about sex. When circulation weakens, your entire system, nervous, hormonal, cardiovascular, suffers. You feel more tired. Motivation drops. Sleep gets worse. The good news? You can restore this function naturally. The key lies in fruits rich in nutrients that boost nitric oxide, protect your vessel walls, and reduce inflammation. Let's break these fruits into 5 groups based on how they help you. Pomegranate and watermelon, fruits that boost natural nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is your body's blood flow regulator, and without enough of it, blood won't reach where it needs to during arousal. 2 fruits are especially powerful here, pomegranate and watermelon. Pomegranate is loaded with polyphenol. A study from the University of California, San Francisco, found it can increase nitric oxide levels by up to 30%, improving erections and vascular function. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that turns into nitric oxide in the body. Research from Texas A&M shows that watermelon's effect is similar to medications like Viagra, but natural and without side effects. Try this. Blend pomegranate and watermelon into a morning smoothie. It's delicious, refreshing, and a natural way to support blood flow every day. Blueberries and strawberries, fruits that reduce inflammation and keep vessels flexible. Chronic inflammation hardens blood vessels, limiting circulation to the penis and other key areas. That's where blueberries and strawberries shine. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, potent antioxidants. A University of Maine study found wild blueberries improve endothelial function, the key to better circulation and sexual responsiveness. Strawberries have ellagic acid and vitamin C, both crucial for producing collagen, which keeps blood vessels elastic and responsive. Add a handful to your oatmeal, yogurt, or eat them fresh after lunch. Small changes lead to big results. And hey, if you're still with me, drop the number 3 in the comments. That way I know you're serious about this journey. Kiwi and red grapes, fruits that lower blood pressure and repair vessel walls. High blood pressure and damaged blood vessels silently wreck male sexual health. Let's fix that with kiwi and red grapes. A study from the University of Oslo showed that eating 3 kiwis per day significantly lowers blood pressure and softens arterial walls. They're also rich in vitamin C, which strengthens your vascular system. Red grapes, especially with thin skins, contain resveratrol, a compound shown to activate endothelial stem cells, helping repair damaged blood vessels and slow vascular aging. Snack on kiwi in the morning. Keep red grapes handy in the afternoon. Easy, effective, natural. Apples and avocados, fruits that rebuild blood vessel flexibility. Aging and oxidative stress stiffen your blood vessels. The fix? Apples and avocados. Apples contain quercetin, a plant compound that improves blood vessel function and fights inflammation. Research from the University of Reading confirms its role in regulating blood pressure. Avocados offer healthy fats and potassium, a powerful combo for vascular health. A Penn State study found that eating just 1 avocado daily reduced harmful LDL cholesterol and improved arterial flexibility. Snack on apples. Add avocado to salads or spread it on toast. These two support both sexual function and heart health. Mangoes and oranges, fruits that provide deep antioxidant protection. Oxidative stress ages your vessels faster. But 2 fruits can fight that: mangoes and oranges. Mangoes contain vitamins A, C, and beta-carotene. A study from Oklahoma State found they reduce oxidative markers and support healthy blood pressure. Oranges are loaded with vitamin C and hesperidin, which increase nitric oxide and improve vessel responsiveness. The University of Reading found hesperidin promotes better blood flow and reduces vascular inflammation. Enjoy mangoes in smoothies or fresh. Eat oranges whole to get all the fiber and nutrients, not just the juice. Brain recap: 10 fruits that naturally improve male health after 60. Let's bring it all together. Boost nitric oxide. Pomegranate. Watermelon. Reduce inflammation. Blueberries. Strawberries. Lower blood pressure and repair vessels. Kiwi. Red grapes. Rebuild flexibility. Apples. Avocados. Fight oxidative damage. Mangoes. Oranges. No pills. No gimmicks. Just nature doing what it does best. Start small. Pick 2 to 3 fruits to begin. Create a routine. Morning, apple, kiwi, or a smoothie with watermelon and pomegranate. Lunch, avocado salad with orange slices. Afternoon, handful of red grapes or frozen blueberries. Evening, strawberries with yogurt or orange segments. In a few weeks, you'll feel more energy, sharper focus, improved performance, and yes, confidence in the bedroom too. If this resonated with you, tell me in the comments, which fruit will you start with today? Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and hit that subscribe button. We're building a community of strong, confident men over 60, and you belong right here with us.